It says day 2 of the 30-day momentum roadmap for building an online business. Maybe you have an online business, maybe you don't have an online business yet, but this is going to break it down like what you need to do to build momentum within the next 30 days with your business. Okay, so day 2, we're going to focus on choose your social media platform. Okay, so pick one platform, go deep, and build your voice. Right? Because you got to understand there's four basic ways to like market any business, right? You can do paid ads, which are obviously you're paying for advertising. You can do warm outreach, which means you're reaching out to friends and family. You can do cold outreach, which means you're reaching out to strangers, and you can do free content, which basically means you're posting content on social media. You can also post free ads on websites, but we're going to deal with social media today. Okay. So start with one platform. So the wrong way is trying to build on like 20 different platforms at once, right? 5 holes, 1 foot deep. Okay. You never strike water that way. You're just trying to branch out. You're just going on all these different platforms and you're overwhelming yourself and you're not really focusing on the strategy to go deep on that one platform because every platform has its own little unique strategy that you want to learn and follow, right? So the right way is to one hole, dig one hole 5 feet deep. Okay. Hit your flow. Like, so whatever platform you're using, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, I'm just going to use these as examples. Whatever the platform it is, just go deep on that one platform. And once you understand how that platform works, you're building momentum, you're attracting leads, you're attracting customers, you're attracting followers, you're building that audience. Then you can branch out to other platforms. Okay. So start with one platform, maybe two if you want to, like, because I recommend personally, I like TikTok and YouTube, but whatever. But at least one platform. Don't stress yourself out. If you can't manage one platform more than one, like if you can't, if like two platforms is stressful, stick with one. Okay. And then what does each platform do best? Okay. You got to understand the platform strengths. So let's just talk about four very like popular platforms. We'll talk about Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, right? So Instagram is good with reels, carousels, and stories. Okay, it's good for strong visual branding. It's easy DMs and link traffic, great for community building. No video required. Carousels work too. Okay, you can do carousel posts when you're doing like, 10 images and people are swiping on the images or whatever. Like picture posts with words on the screen. That's a carousel because I do carousels myself. So TikTok is good for fastest organic reach, right? I've grown like multiple TikTok accounts to over 1,000 followers pretty quickly. Okay, it's the easiest platform to go viral with. It's very beginner friendly. Lives add massive extra exposure. I love lives for TikTok. TikTok lives are usually the best. Okay, it's great for building know, like, and trust fast. Okay, now Facebook it feels more personable and relatable. Okay, it's great for relationship and marketing. Stronger for longer form stories. Okay, lifestyle posts are good there. Controversial posts are good there. Connects like friends, not followers. Okay. So it connects more with friends, like people you actually know, than it does with just random followers. Okay. Now, drama style content performs well here, where you're just being really dramatic, you're being controversial, you're talking about current events, you're having back and forth conversations. That's really what Facebook is all about. Okay. Now, YouTube is more evergreen because videos can rank for months, builds high authority in your niche, best platform for email list growth. People go there to learn and not to scroll. Okay. So people are going there usually with an intention, and shorts are work there as well. I like it like YouTube because you can do long form video, you can do short form video. Excuse me. You can also do written content because there's four types of content, right? There's videos, images, audio, and written content. So you can basically do all that because in the post section, you can also post like images and written, excuse me, images and written content as well. Okay. And so what are the weaknesses? Know the weaknesses of whatever social media platform you're using. Okay, let me just drink some water real quick. Know the images. Okay, I mean the weaknesses. So what to watch out for? Instagram, it's lower organic reach. Generally, it takes a little longer to build there. Reels can feel overthought and curated, easy to get stuck trying to make it perfect. TikTok, harder to build deep relationships. People go there to scroll and decompress, not to be sold. Facebook, its organic reach on business pages is very slow. Can feel outdated to younger audiences. Content gets buried fast. And YouTube requires patience, can feel intimidating for beginners, takes time before videos can gain real traction. None of this means avoid these platforms. It means go in with eyes open and a strategy, okay? And be patient. Always got to be patient and detached from results, right? People get too attached to having fast results, and if they don't get the fast results, then they get all frustrated and they quit or they go downward spiral, right? So you always got to like do the work, but be detached from the results. Okay. Find your match platform to your personality. Okay. So just see which platform you really like, which one really like resonates with you. Okay. Do you love storytelling and connecting in DMs, Instagram or Facebook? Do you want fast visibility and beginner traction, TikTok? Do you want content that works while you sleep for months, YouTube and shorts? Do you like talking to camera and do you like talking to the camera and sharing your journey? TikTok or Instagram Reels? Okay. Do you want high authority and strong email list growth? YouTube. Okay. This isn't about choosing the best platform. It's about choosing the one that keeps you consistent and the one that you like. So avoid platform hopping. The problem is not the algorithm. It's starting, stopping, and jumping to something new every week. Okay. You got to stay consistent. Pick one platform, stay consistent with that platform. The problem is not your content. It's not having your message clearly mapped out to your perfect customer. Okay. Consistency beats strategy, right? Pick one platform, build your voice there, then expand, not before. Okay. Like I focused mostly on TikTok and then I branched out to YouTube. I was on Facebook and Instagram before, so I was on there too, but I don't really spend too much time on Facebook and Instagram. Like what I do on Instagram and Facebook, I post on Instagram and then it basically automatically shares that post to Facebook too. Okay. And I don't really hang out there too much. Okay. But I'm still on that platforms on those platforms because I've been there for a while. But my main focus is generally TikTok and YouTube. I like TikTok lives and I like the fast reach you can get with TikTok. And I just like the long game of YouTube. Okay. So that's what I did. I picked one platform and then I branched out to the next. Consistency is basically everything in business and in life. Okay, so let's just do a quick reference platform comparison at a glance, right? So Instagram is strongest for branding, carousels, and DMs. Its main weakness, slower reach, easy to overthink. Best if you love visual storytelling and community. TikTok is strongest for fast reach, virality, and lives. Main weakness, hard to build deep trust alone. Okay, best if you want beginner traction fast and you like going live. Facebook is more relationship and story content, very low page reach, feels dated. Like it's best, that's the weakness. It's best if you love personal connection and longer posts. And YouTube is strongest for authority, evergreen. It's evergreen, email list, and main weakness, it could be slow to start and it requires some patience. Best if you want content working for you long term. Okay. Now, let's do some content hook ideas, okay? So if we're going to talk about social media and using social media for beginner, personal choice, I'm finally doing this. I picked one platform to grow my business, and here's why. Talk about why you picked that platform, okay? Value content. Did you know this about this platform? Like, did you know this about YouTube? This is why I chose it to build my online business and talk about why you chose it. Lifestyle hook. The platform that will help me master my 2-hour workday. Here's why I chose, here's which one I chose and why. Here's why I chose TikTok and why. Just explain that in a video, okay? Or whatever, written content, whatever. Now, advanced hook ideas, more like a pattern interrupt. I was bouncing between Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube and getting nowhere. Here's the decision I made today. I decided to go all in on, TikTok, whatever. Okay, here's an overwhelm hook. If you're overwhelmed trying to be everywhere at once, watch this. This one shift changed everything. So anyone that can relate to that is gonna like that hook, okay? And you talk about the one shift, how you just decided to go all in on Instagram or whatever. Okay, commitment hook. Why I'm going all in on platform, right? That platform could be whatever, Instagram, and exactly what I'll be doing for the next 30 days. Tell people what your strategy is. Maybe you're gonna have a carousel strategy, or you're gonna whatever your strategy is, your video strategy, you're gonna whatever it is, just let people know. Okay. So so now pick one, dig deep, and hit your flow. Whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube. Okay, choose your platform and let me know. Drop it in the comments. Which platform are you going to choose and why? Okay, and yeah, let me know. Let me know in the community or if you're watching this video. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you on the next. And I'll see you on the next day of this momentum, this 30-day momentum roadmap. Okay, let's go. All right. Thanks for watching.